What up guys, this is Jarrell. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to block numbers from your phone. Now, for instance, here in my phone, I would like to block someone else. So let's say this number. Yes, let's choose a number in here. Let's say this number is a number that I would like to block. Now, the only thing that I have to do is to add that into the blacklist. Now, by doing so, that would basically block the number from calling you, from texting you, and everything. Now, if let's say you want to block this number too, like a telephone number, add that to the blacklist. Uh, Simple thing. Now, another thing that you could do is you could manually go to settings and block, and then go to blacklist, and you can remove that right there. You could also optimize through call blocking through the settings. Now it's up to you. Now, guys, that is how you configure your block through your phone. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.